Friends, now I will explain the procedure of creating the question paper for online PV1. So first of all, open your email registered at Kite. So go to here and then open your Google Classroom as already you are doing earlier. So when you open your classroom, so here you will find various classroom created by you already. So here, because you are going first time to conduct the online examination, so create a new class by clicking this here, create class. So write the class name. Say for example, I am teaching BTech Computer Science and Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering. So right here, section, I am teaching 8th semester, section B, subject, I am teaching machine learning. Right here, room, and create your own class here for conducting online PV1 examination from 4th May. It will take around 20 seconds to create a new class. It is actually necessary to create a new class for the examination because the old class the data may be shared with the students. So the quiz or question paper which you are going to create may be shared with the students. So to avoid or to take the precautions, here you have to create a new class for this online PV1 examination. So go to classwork, then create a quiz assignment here. So you will find the title and instructions here for the quiz. Directly I will go to the format. I will copy, say for example, Kite Group of Institution from here. Then it will be my title. Again I am going back for the instructions. You may copy paste these instructions here for your question paper. Okay, and you can format all these. It depends upon you, like this one. Okay, so you can format it. Here, this exam is of 60 marks, so write 60 here. And schedule your question paper on date declared by COE. Say for example, if my exam is on 4th May on Monday, so set 4th May and finishing time is 11:30, so write 11:30 AM. Okay, so you can see Monday 4th May 11:30 AM. So this is the end time assigned here. Now go to schedule it. So I will schedule it on 4th May and at 10 AM. Schedule. So in this way, your online PV1 question paper is scheduled. Now for creating the question paper, go to your class drive folder. In this class drive folder, you will find a blank quiz here. So click this blank quiz. This blank quiz is open here. Now here in the blank quiz, you can write instructions like, for example, you can write machine learning online PV1. Okay, and you may write another instructions here. like fill all the information. So fill all the information. Now you can add the questions here, like for example we want our students fill their name, roll number, father name, branch, etc. So write name here, name, then add next question. It is father name, father's name, next question, it is roll number, and next question maybe branch. So after adding these questions, make these branches as so consider branch, or you may give here all the branches if it is set by the COE. But if it is set by our faculty member, then just make it short answer as branch, because students will write the branch here as well, because all these informations are mandatory. So make here required, name is required, father's name is required, and roll number is mandatory also, so make it required, and branch is also mandatory, so make it required. Okay, so after making all these informations required, now create a section for the question paper. So click this button, then you will go to the next section. So write here section A, section A. From here you can create your question paper, and you can write any instructions here, like in this question paper the instruction for section A, it is written attempt all questions. So write attempt all questions. Now you can add your questions here. Adding questions, click this button and go to here. Here you can type the question, or you can make it as a figure to avoid the copy on the Google by the students. So it is good, you have to create your 40 images from your all 40 questions separately. Like for example, if this is your question paper, if it is your question paper, then for all the questions create your image. Now question is how you can create the image from the word. So go to snipping tool from your window, click this snipping tool after opening the question paper. So this will open. For question number 1, you can select it, you can select this question, and this question is copied as image. Now go to the file and make it save as, then wherever you want to save, you can save this image as question number 1, like I have saved here 1 or 2. So in this way you can save the images for all 40 questions. So create your all 40 images. So here I will upload the image by browsing this image number 1 as I have saved earlier, and it will be uploaded as question number 1. You can see here it is uploaded as question number image. Now I will write the option, say for example my answers are AAA, next answer maybe I have given triple or 4 times W, and your options you can add here as multiple choice questions. Okay, now because we are trying to make it to evaluate automatically, so give the answers here. The point, because first 20 questions of section A will be of 1 marks, so give 1 marks here and click the right answer. So it is done here. The first questions you have added. In this here here make it shuffle option order. So in this way your options, when the question paper will come, then options will be shuffle for different students. Now add next question here. So in this way you can add the next question. Again you will go to the to upload the image, browse here, next question, go to the question number 2, open it here, then upload it here, and it will be added as question number 2. So again in a similar way add the options, option 1, option 2, and option 3, option 4. As I have chosen multiple choice question, here you can see there are various choices. You can add check boxes, drop down, and multiple choice grid, check box grid, etc. You can also give the date or time questions here. So it is up to you which type of questions you are giving here. So again go to the answer key, define it 1 mark, and then done, click right answer and then done, and make it shuffle option order. Okay, so after creating section A, now for creating section B, click here. So go to here and write section B, and similarly you can add the questions here for section B. So you can again further click here, go to add the image here as a question, and then adding the options here. So in this way section B and section C will be created. So after creating section B, section C wall of the question paper, now go to here, click these settings here. In the general setting, collect email address, and then restrict to users to kite group of institution and its trusted organization, and limit to 1 response. So click these options here only. Then go to the presentation. In presentation, click shuffle question order. Then the questions will be shuffled, and then click quizzes. In quizzes, what you have to do, you have to click this option later after manual review, because after your review you can make it calculated and visible to the students. And here you will give only the one option missed questions to the students, and correct answer and point values you will remove from here. So all these settings here. So in this way your online quiz is created here.